Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "Man Calls Police Over Stripper Problem." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
How do you know him? Who is he to you guys?
He's our boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend.
Yeah. We just moved out here like 2 months ago, and we met him like being out or whatever, and he told us we could come live here, and some of our clothes and stuff is in there and everything. When we first got here, it was a girl named Brooke, and she was going crazy over here, and then the police came, and it was us.
You get your info already?
Now it's us.
I ain't do nothing, so he ain't asked for it. I'm just here, so.
You have no relation to this person?
You're supposed to be our boyfriend, but you're not.
You're both your boyfriend?
She had more dealings, so.
We were here.
Alright,
It was
so
a girl named
I need your information.
She
No, I'm not involved, so.
You just say he's your boyfriend.
No, I did not. I said he's involved with her.
No.
She talked to the officer. I haven't said a word.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said our boyfriend.
Oh, no.
I didn't know what was going on.
No, I'm trying to figure it out.
Hey.
Here for myself in Foxtrot 2-3 at Harrison in the stands. 17 and
That's your boyfriend?
Yes. He knows it.
Okay. Who are they to you?
Nothing. Nothing to them.
Some
I got
random
one time
individuals.
and they won't stop her by. I told them my cousin's dying. Don't come around here. I got my family coming. I said I got my family coming. Stay away from here. I got my cousins dying right now in hospital. My mom and dad are coming. They're 90 years old. And my sisters are coming. Go away. They're like, no. They're jealous because I have my girlfriend there. Right? I have nothing to do with them whatsoever. They don't live here. They never lived here. They're devastated right here.
Oh, they get it. I was trying to raise.
Show them all the ring
All right.
cameras.
Ma'am.
32 to make my now one.
He wants to lie like he don't know us because it's another woman in there.
Okay.
Another woman in there. He wants to show them ring cameras of us pulling up angry.
I'm shaking.
It's alright.
Shit on. I mean, they're begging, throwing the cookies to my door. Then she did that to my truck right
I
there.
have a question. Have you ever seen them before in your life?
One time, they came by here after the club
For what?
to hang out, to try to flirt with me, try to get money from me. And I said, no. They're just strippers. And then they're trying to like,
Come on, fellas. Fellas, we not falling for this. We know what's up. First of all, you're not going to the strip club and inviting the strippers back to your spot, and then they're trying to get money, and then you say, oh no. What? My man, that was established before you even took them out of the club. Like, what's up with you? Like, yeah, like, what? Come on, ladies, you guys may not know how it go, but the fellas, we know what's going on. Like, this is crazy here. Like, you've been dealing with him, and you like to move around. You know what I'm saying? He probably a little guy, maybe got a little retirement check or something, and he like to move around. So you know, that's his thing. You know what I'm saying? The strip club and all that stuff, and you know, pay for play and all that. That's not really my stilo, but you know, this is his thing. So don't try to fake the funk. And I believe the girls. Honestly, I believe the girls. You know, there's another, he been dealing with them or whatever, but there's another girl in there, and so he trying to, you know what I'm saying? We know what's up. We know what's up, man.
just like
Do
trying
you,
to,
do you happen to have your ID? Can you get from me? Please.
Oh, no, we can't do
And,
this.
uh,
Oh, I'm finna
so I
leave
work
now.
at strip bar.
You playing us
And-
every single day. You blowing us out.
Just grab your ID from me, please.
Well, the reason why there's a lot of us is because the call came from him saying that there's too late people he doesn't know trying to break into the door. So
Oh,
See how he lying?
listen. I mean, I can see that. I can see now that's not the case.
do you want to see our messages up here saying he loves us? He loves me. He wants us here. Do you want to see that? He don't know us, right?
Who's us?
Me and her, we're his girlfriends.
I'm not his girlfriend.
So you lying to me?
No,
You lying to me?
I'm not his girlfriend. Look at the
She's
message.
not.
Look, because she keeps saying one thing and she keeps saying another, and something probably messed up with her license. That's why she don't want to give her information, but she keep dragging her into it when you could tell she's the hostile one, not this one. This one seemed pretty chill, but you keep saying Stop bringing her into it. Just keep it on you, man.
Not
Girlfriend, but
involved.
I mean, he likes both of us. So I mean,
He originally met her.
So you don't have no relationship?
No.
Okay.
You see, he ain't saying shit.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. It's just like last time. I'm gonna take the high to making an LI.
You should be going.
So you see me
Yes, my girlfriend for the past 3 years.
I didn't mean at my job today.
He said he's been his girlfriend for the past 3 years. Oh my God. We never knew nothing.
So we find out everything when the cops get here. Okay.
Over.
So you know how to record this.
I've been busy as so what's the misunderstanding here? The misunderstanding is we had all these big food blocks on we can come back. When we got back to Florida,
That's right.
exactly. And we been back, you can't tell me we need a run mouth. And you can't hold it what the you be on.
This is crazy. But can you tell them he's showing footage, but he lied and said people was breaking in his house that he didn't know.
Oh,
You
well,
clearly
we'll
know.
see the footage now and go from there.
You're right, so why she be coming trying to insert herself in shit? The same way she running up to the car every time.
You can't talk like this in front of my house like this.
What's your
It's too much of a show.
Okay, so you should have invited us in like, alright,
My sisters.
it's cool.
You are such a liar.
Don't stop. Don't start that.
And she been calm for stepping outside like she involved. You have no involvement in it.
But don't talk to him right now.
I'm talking about that other girl. You see she keep coming outside?
They wouldn't leave. I got the phone with you guys. My girlfriend was calling you guys, and they kept on throwing that coconut against my door.
I'm gonna make sure you come outside, ho. I'm gonna make sure you get up out your bike too.
Thank you.
Charlie,
Oh, she cooked. She cooked. She's cooked.
Yes, 10:15.
from the corner from the call.
Okay.
You have Hallandale.
Where are you guys gonna go after this?
Hotel.
I have to get a hotel now because he won't even give me my stuff out of there. He said we don't live here.
A hotel.
It's crazy. He won't give me my things. He won't let us in. He won't even let us. I mean, how can he do this to me? And then he just stand there like I'm nothing. Like I'm not shit. Like we haven't been laying in there all together.
You were here yesterday. It was the same.
Yes.
It was the same thing. You
No.
found out or you didn't know?
No,
No.
we actually went in. We chilled, you know.
We was
had
together.
drinks.
All of us was
We
together
cool.
yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday,
And
all
then
of us was
we
together.
left. We ended up leaving. We came back. In the midst of us coming back, he was coming outside with that young lady that's in there. And he was like, oh,
He don't want to give me my
friend.
clothes. He don't want to let us come. I don't
Gotcha.
even, we were all just together yesterday.
Like, oh,
We were all just
What's up
together
with you?
yesterday. I can't believe he did this to me.
I'll tell you in a
He had
second.
my clothes in here. How can I get
I got a tire in the back seat of my car. Can you put them in yours, just hold them there while I do everything else? Okay. Thank you. All right. You are being detained at this very moment. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Can you put your hands behind your back?
Mhm.
Can you turn around for me? Can you turn around? Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Why am I being detained?
I'll explain everything in a moment.
Twist it like this so it's more comfortable.
Yeah, it's more comfortable for you. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have a female come and pat you down. All right. Just do me a favor. Which one's yours?
Adult 18.
Do you have shoes, Jasmine?
Yes.
All right. We'll grab. You, yeah.
Can you
Just,
put a
we'll
tag
grab
in
it.
the bathroom, please?
Yeah. Just give it to my partner here.
Can you tell me?
Okay, so Jasmine, the camera's caught you on camera scratching, which is criminal mischief, vandalizing his vehicle. Okay, that is a crime.
Did you put over the radio for the female or not?
So- So what do I have to do?
I'll do it if you don't.
I'll explain to you in a moment. Just
Do I have to go to jail?
Just have a seat for now.
Just have a seat for right now.
Do I have to go to jail?
I'm gonna have a female come. Okay, she's gonna make sure.
Can you just answer my question? Do I have to go to jail?
Yes, ma'am. You do. Okay,
What?
because you can't vandalize somebody's car. Just have a seat for me
There's
for a
no
second.
stuff in there. We stay here.
Just have a seat for me, please. Please. Okay.
So I have to go to jail tonight.
I'll explain to you in a moment everything else. 2091 black female, 1015. You have an ID on you as well?
2454 Adam Street for Pat Brown.
he was saying that she might not be able to bond out over the weekend. How y'all processes work out here?
Well, it's Friday, so Right now, it's already too late. So once she goes in, they don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. So she's gonna have to wait till Monday.
Oh my.
Right. Do you have an ID on you? Can you get that? Thank you.
Damn.
And you're willing to take her jewelry and stuff like that? Are those slides hers?
No, she got hers on. I gave it to the other
Okay.
officer.
All right, give me a sec. Let me do what I need to do, and then you can talk to her in a moment, all right?
Second tag, 6-1 Bravo.
Nah, I guess I was wrong. Or maybe they didn't run the girl ID. They just needed for some paperwork or something. But she was actually pretty alright to give her ID. I don't know. I was a little skeptical in the beginning because she didn't want to give it. But, you know, she really not a part of the incident. I mean, he ain't wrong.
Step out for me. I'm back down, okay? We can get the first one.
No, 54.
Jennifer, you guys have the Hollandale access number?
Seven. Is it possible? Elsie is okay with it?
I think there's another use.
Health 18, absolutely. You go to signal 7 first.
Thanks for my friend to come here.
Leave my passport.
She's gonna come here. She's gonna talk to you in a moment. You want your jewelry to go with her? Yes? Okay. If you can I get a verbal yes just because it's on camera, okay?
7 copy, baby.
Is that it? Oh, the right. I don't even want to talk no more.
You don't have to. This is for you. I just need to know if you want your jewelry to go with your friend. That's all. I need you to verbally say yes. I need a verbal yes.
I don't want to talk no more.
Okay.
Okay. Well, then I would have to take the jewelry with you. Not the
Give the jewelry to my friend.
Okay, thank you
Is
so
that
much.
better?
Yes, ma'am. That's all I require. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. That's it.
All right. Thank you. You got a camera on her? Appreciate you.
Just, thank you.
Thank you.
Just come with me while we get it.
I'm a yeah, it's fine.
I gave her.
Yeah, it's fine.
Excuse me, ma'am. Will I be able to get a bond today? No, ma'am.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.